Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy M51 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's open the list of apps and enter the settings. Here let's find the wallpaper and let's tap on it, and as you can see at the very top of the list we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen. We can choose the wallpaper from My Wallpapers, so we will find some defaultly installed ones. We can choose something from our gallery or wallpaper services. What's more, we can explore more wallpapers. Make sure that you're connected with a Wi-Fi or any other internet source and simply tap on it in order to find much more wallpapers. But let me get back and let's choose something from defaultly installed ones. Let's click on My Wallpapers, and as you can see here we've got some options to choose from. Let me pick for example this one, and now we can decide if we want to set it as a wallpaper on our home screen, lock screen or both. So let me pick both for example. This is the preview of the lock screen and home screen, and if you are ready, click on Set on Home Screen and Lock Screen. As you can see, the wallpaper has been applied. Let's get back to the home screen and let's check. And as you can see, it immediately changes, and after locking our device, it will also appear on the lock screen. So that's all. This is how to change wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy M51. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.